Are you planning a trip or do you just want to tell a travel story? Well, let me show you how to create an awesome travel map animation using Canva. There's no complicated tools needed. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so once you're logged in your Canva account, you're going to go to the bottom and create a blank video. When that's pulled up, you're going to go to the left side and click on elements. You're going to type in the word world map. And I'm going to click on photos. And I'm going to select this one right here. I'm going to put it on my canvas page. Drag it out. Okay guys, next thing we want to do is go back to the left. We're still in elements. I'm going to type in GPS under graphics. Okay. I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to reduce the size of it. Okay. I'm going to drag it over here in the United States. Okay. I'm going to copy and I'm going to click paste and I'm going to drag it all the way down here. All right. Okay guys, the next thing we want to do is go to text on the left side and we're going to change this to white, the color at the top to white. Okay. And we're going to create dashes. Okay. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to tilt it some. Okay. And we're going to drag it below. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go to effects at the top and we're going to go to curve right here. All right. And we're going to start decreasing it. Okay. All right. And you can drag it up some. Okay. Okay guys, once that's done, you're going to right click. You're going to show in layers. Okay. And you're going to drag this one down under the GPSs. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to click on the GPS and we're going to animate and we're going to click on pop. All right. And then we're going to click on the second GPS. We're going to go to the top, animate, and we're going to click on pop again. Then we're going to animate this. We're going to scroll down until we find the word wipe. All right. We're going to reduce it to about 4.5. Okay. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to click on this one and we're going to show this one in timing as well. Okay, at the bottom. Right. All right. And then we're going to go over here and press play. All right. Okay guys, the next thing we want to do is click on the second GPS and we're going to show that in timing as well. Okay. So we're going to show it right there. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to add our heading. I'm going to type in there USAA uppercase. Okay. I'm going to drag it over here, reduce the size. Okay. All right. Copy and paste below. Then I'm going to drag it over here and put Australia. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. So the next thing you want to do is go to the bottom and rewind it and press play. And that looks pretty good to me. So guys, now that you know how easy it is to animate a travel map in Canva, go ahead and make one for your next adventure. And if you found this video helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.